Hello and welcome to Strategy TLDR, a channel where we explain strategy concepts important. In this episode, we introduce the concept of complexity. A system is said to be complex when it has many different parts, connected or related to each other in an intricate manner, forming an elaborate network of information or procedures, such that it is difficult to understand. There are three important characteristics of complex systems. 1. There are a number of potentially interacting elements, also known as multiplicity. 2. Those elements are connected in a manner that they are dependent on one another, or interdependence. 3. The elements are different from one another, not homogeneous, also known as diversity. The parts of complex systems interact with each other in multiple and unexpected ways. These interactions could be constantly changing. Because of all this, it is harder to predict what will happen, and harder to make sense of what is going on in a complex system. So centrally managing such a system is difficult. Then how are complex systems managed, given the interdependence and multiple ways of interactions? In addition to their multiplicity and diversity, complex systems tend to be adaptive in nature. What they lack in central control, they make up with local rules and emergence or formation of collective behaviors. So, these are essentially complex adaptive systems. Well-known examples of complex adaptive systems are, from the natural world, life, evolution, a food web in an ecosystem, climate patterns, spread of a disease in a population, and so on. From our societies, the economy, evolution of ideas in a society, the internet, highway traffic patterns, and so on. As you can very well imagine, all these complex adaptive systems have many diverse interacting agents. In a dynamic and complex network, have no central control. The interactions generate changes, which are adaptations. Larger structures emerge by themselves. In other words, they self-organize. They constantly create novelty and adapt. So, behavior of such systems cannot be fully predicted. From an organizational standpoint, complex organizations are very difficult to manage from the center or from the headquarters. In the next episode, you will learn the various types of complexities faced by business and how to manage them.